Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Audible, ma'am?
Yeah. You're audible.
Ma'am, we should wait some time, ma'am. लोग ज्वाइन हो जाए,
Yeah, yeah,
मैम.
yeah. Yeah, sure. No problem. So many.
मैम आप बताएं कैसा चल रहा है उधर? How's going
All
life, ma'am?
good.
All good, ma'am.
Like condition was worst earlier in Nagpur, but yeah, nowadays like COVID cases are dropping and I'm like really happy for that.
Okay,
I think we should start.
ma'am. So, ma'am,
I just
जैसे
want
सभी को पता है.
everyone to just sorry. I just want everyone to just give a high five sign just to check if people are active or not right now.
Start, ma'am.
Yeah, they are very active. Yeah.
So, ma'am, जैसे ही टॉपिक है मैम ब्लैक फंगस, तो व्हाट इज ब्लैक फंगस, मैम?
All right. Black fungus is actually, I'll explain in very layman term. You can see black fungus in your kitchen, on sinks, or on any contaminated surface. For example, जैसे सबको पता होगा अगर आप एक bread रखते हो room temperature पर for a week, then you see the black patches on the bread, right? So that is your black fungus. It is actually a plant fungus. So that is exactly what is black fungus. Just say everyone knows. Generally, it is everywhere around us. But once it invades a human body, animal body, तो actually वो क्या होता है कि it forms it colonizes and it acts as an army on the tissue. And in matter of no time, you will see the death of the tissue. Like जो progression होता है, it is an army. So in matter of no time, it in hours, it spreads in hours actually.
That's so dangerous, मैम.
Yeah.
मैम कहने से हम सबके सामने आ गए. मैम जैसे ब्लैक फंगस किचन में हम लोग
Your
देखते थे,
connection
उसको
is
रहता था.
weak. Your connection is weak. Yeah, it's better now.
Okay.
Yeah.
ओके मैम. देन मैम कॉज क्या है मैम? एक्चुअल कॉज क्या है ब्लैक फंगस के होने का, मैम?
In human body,
यस मैम.
okay. In human body, it is generally पहले तो ये आपको ट्रांसप्लांट सेंटर्स में मिलता था in patients who have uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled in normal language, जिनका भी blood sugar level uncontrolled या high होता था, ठीक है? अभी it is happening in COVID patients. The reason is same. It is because of your uncontrolled diabetes, rise in your blood sugar level. The patients who are on long-term steroid therapy or on high dose of steroid therapy, it increases your blood sugar, if you know.
यस
ठीक है. Also found in patient with metabolic ketoacidosis. Yeah. Also in patient who are on long-term oxygen therapy. ठीक है. काफी सारे हॉस्पिटल्स में इट इज फाउंड कि डिस्टिल वाटर के जगह पे टैप वाटर यूज हो रहा है.
यस
ठीक है. तो ये भी एक
कॉज है मैम.
कॉज है.
सो मैम ये स्टेरॉइड्स का जैसे है कि स्टेरॉइड्स जिनको देते हैं उनमें ही ये कॉज होना पर्टिकुलर जाके, तो मैम क्या वजह इसकी क्या है एक्चुअल, मैम, कि स्टेरॉइड्स से ही क्यों?
Okay. Generally nowadays it is happening in COVID patients या पहले भी जो patients में it was found. तो generally when a patient is suffering, जैसे first of all I would like to explain everyone कि secondary infection होता क्यों है in a
Yes.
viral. ठीक है. If a person is affected through virus, तो सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन क्यों देखने मिलता है, विच इज नॉट फाउंड इन बैक्टीरिया, फंगाई और पैरासाइट. तो जो वायरस होता है इट इज लाइक ऑब्लिगेट इंट्रासेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो इफ अ पर्सन इज अफेक्टेड थ्रू वायरस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ठीक है, तो वायरस कैसे कभी भी अपने बॉडी सरफेस पे इट वोंट अफेक्ट, it always
Yes,
affect your cell. So when once it is affecting your cell, it will like affect your whole cell, ठीक है, which makes other bacteria, fungi or parasite, like it will make the cell more prone for this bacterial, fungi or parasite infection, right? So this
yes,
is one thing. ठीक है, this got everyone got cleared with this. What is secondary? Why people get secondary infection? Now, if a person is suffering from COVID, okay,
yes, ma'am.
and the person is on long-term steroids, जो आपका question था,
Yes, ma'am.
right? कि steroid से क्यों हो रहा है? तो once if a person is affected through COVID, जो immunity होती है, actually, it is fighting against the COVID coronavirus, right?
Right,
So it is
right.
engaged in fighting against the coronavirus. Okay,
Yes,
then you are taking the steroids which will increase the blood sugar level in the body and it will make you immunocompromised as well.
yes,
Okay, now if
right.
you are affected with these uh, black fungus, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these black fungus are very fond of carbs or sugar. ठीक है, तो increase sugar level in your body will serve, it will be a food for them,
Food
for their
problem.
growth.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, this is first thing. One more thing, if you are suffering from COVID also affects your platelets,
Right,
right?
ma'am. Right.
हाँ, which तो उसमें thrombus formation होता
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, which decreases the oxygen level in your vessels. ठीक है, second thing, and because of decrease in oxygen level, uh, उससे आपका necrosis होता है, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this
वो चीज मैम
necrosis,
सड़ने लगती है जो भी
yeah,
पार्ट पे होती है
death
इसका.
death of tissue. So this necrosis, it also serves as a food for this black fungus for the growth, for their growth. So ये सब चीजें it makes a thing and then
Yes. मैम एक्सलेंट मैम, एक्सप्लेनेशन मैम
thank you,
एक्सलेंट मैम.
thank you.
मैम सिम्टम्स मैम एक्चुअल क्या फाउंड होंगे सिम्टम्स मैम देखने को.
Okay, पहले I'll tell you the types of
Yes, ma'am.
mucormycosis,
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है. Then I'll just list them, ठीक है. एक होता है rhinocerebral mucormycosis,
Yes.
ठीक है. Pulmonary mucormycosis, then
ma'am.
cutaneous, gastrointestinal and disseminated.
Yes,
अभी now what is seen is rhinocerebral, ठीक है.
yes, ma'am.
Mostly it is seen rhinocerebral, rarely pulmonary mucormycosis in this condition, ठीक है. If
Okay.
a patient is suffering from rhinocerebral, ठीक है, मतलब it is affecting its nose.
Okay, मैम नोज. Yes, ma'am.
Rhino word is used for
Yes,
nose.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, anyways, all right, so it can be you can see a nose blockage, headache, nose bleeding, also secretions from nose, कुछ green color के secretions होते हैं, ठीक है. Also you can see numbness on your face पे swelling हो सकती है. अगर थोड़ा progression ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो it can be like it can affect your eye orbital, then you can see swelling over your eyes, redness over your eyes, yeah, blurring of vision, ठीक है. In case this black fungus also affects your lungs or mouth, then yeah, you can see like symptoms like fever or chest pain, cough with bleeding sometimes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैम कोई फिजिकल असेसमेंट किसी को हुआ है तो हम फिजिकल उसे क्या क्या देख सकते हैं उसमें पेशेंट में.
Okay, patient will tell you all the chief complaints. You can see like swelling under the eyes or redness, like जो भी part में if it is affecting, for example अगर eye में affect कर रहा है, you can see the swelling, the redness. अगर tissue कहीं affect कर रहा है तो you can see the black spots or patches over it.
तो मैम ये सिम्टम्स मुझे माइल्ड में भी देखने को मिलेंगे ना मैम, ये सब ये
माइल्ड
मॉडरेट.
में mild may you will see like mild may it is till your nose or really till eye orbital. तो nose में running nose like watering nose, then
मैम वो
nose.
ब्लैक पैचेस तो मुझे मैम मॉडरेट में दिखेंगे आई गेस मैम।
Yeah.
मैम अगर किसी को पल्मोनरी माइकोसिस हो रहा है पल्मोनरी वाला, तो मैम क्या उसमें मुझे डिस्निया वगैरह देखने को मिल सकती है क्या मैम?
Yeah, if it is progressing, then yes.
फिर मैम
Like it
डायग्नोसिस,
has been seen. Hmm.
यस मैम
बताइए.
ऑडिबल मैम?
Yeah.
मैम
Yeah.
डायग्नोसिस मैम, आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट डायग्नोसिस।
Diagnosis, like in the, all right. Generally, you can see it through the visual observation in the mild cases. Then radiological imaging, like if it is affecting the brain, then MRI brain. If it is affecting your lungs, then you can do the chest CT. Yeah. Also, biopsies are done if it is affecting your tissue, the particular tissue key. We can do the biopsy.
ओके मैम। मैम नाउ मैम ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसीजर में क्या क्या है मैम इसके लिए अभी?
Treatment procedure may like amphotericin B can be given like orally or through the IV. Depends on the like condition of the patient, if it is mild or moderate. If it is working, it's all right. If condition is like progressing, okay, then the surgical debridement, like the removal of tissue, is the only option.
मैम टोटल मिला के मैम अभी कोई ट्रीटमेंट खास इसका है नहीं अभी देखा जाए तो।
Yeah, the prognosis is poor, but okay. Like with the precautions, we can cure
यस
it.
मैम, मैं
Like
वहीं
we
पे मैं
can
आ रहा था
maintain,
मैम।
we can
मैम
prevent it.
प्रिवेंशन मैम, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इस सेशन का मैम, प्रिवेंशन मैम कैसे है?
Okay, prevention is first of all, I'll say the masking. ठीक है, स्पेशली जो रूरल इंडिया है वो ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड है, स्पेशली द फार्मर्स. सो इफ दे वर कोविड पॉजिटिव, तो उनके लिए काफी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, इवन फॉर अस, सो दैट वी डू नॉट इनहेल द स्पोर्स, राइट? Yeah, so masking is important, and not just to protect ourselves and others from the COVID, but also yeah, from this inhalation of spores. Then second is oral hygiene.
यस मैम।
Okay, you have to maintain the oral hygiene, stay hydrated as well. Then keep a glucometer with you. Like abhi everyone has the oximeter, वैसे you can keep a
यस
glucometer and yeah, do the continue monitoring of your blood sugar. Plus, in hospitals as well, I already told कि कहीं जगह tap water is used. Yeah,
यस
so
मैम।
it is, हाँ, तो उसके जगह आप मतलब सिर्फ डिस्टिल वाटर ही यूज करें. एंड ऑल्सो इन हॉस्पिटल्स जैसे कि काफी कंटेमिनेटेड होता है, तो टू लाइक मेंटेन प्रॉपर स्टेरिलाइजेशन. ऑल्सो mental stress, because of mental stress in COVID patients, um, people cannot sleep, like they have insomnia or depression kind of thing. So उसके
मैम
लिए भी
इतना
जैसे
ओवर
उससे,
थिंकिंग की वजह से मैम, ओवर
yeah, it
थिंकिंग
is
की वजह
found,
से।
according to the articles, it is found that post-COVID patients, they have mental stress, anxiety, depression,
यस
insomnia.
मैम।
So, yeah. So they have lack of sleep. So lack of sleep causes lack of recovery, late recovery. So if you
राइट
take a
मैम।
good sleep, don't spend more hours on your cell phones and sleep early, get a good sleep, your recovery will increase, your immune system will boost up, right? So this is one thing. Again, you can take a good diet, add citrus fruit in it so that your immune system can boost up, take multivitamins, minerals.
मैम
Yeah.
कोई फिजियोथेरेपी से एस्पेक्ट से कोई प्रिवेंशन इसमें प्रिकॉशन मैम?
Yeah, physiotherapy can also help. Like जैसे COVID patients होते हैं, if you are recovering, so after a week of two, you can start with the rib opening exercise, thoracic mobility, like your upper and middle thoracic, mobility, thoracic expansion, diaphragmatic breathing होती है,
Yes, ma'am.
segmental breathing techniques. Spiro you should do like every 2 hourly. राइट, तो ये सब चीजें आपकी ब्रीदिंग इंप्रूव करेगी. दिस विल डू द लंग एक्सपांशन, सो इट विल हेल्प टू ब्रीद इन. you will get you will inhale more oxygen, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, मैम, दैट्स गुड मैम. मैम, यहाँ पे कुछ मैसेज आए हुए हैं कमेंट बॉक्स पे, कैन सी
Let
मैम.
me check. काफी लोगों ने कहा है कि why doctor are giving steroids. So steroids are generally given for like your lung expansion to stop the disease progression, right? सो कभी कभी इट इज अ नीड ऑफ एन आवर, तो डॉक्टर को देना होता है, राइट? यू कैन नॉट, उस पे आई कांट कमेंट राइट नाउ बिकॉज समटाइम्स इट इज अ नीड. बट ऑल यू कैन डू इज लाइक यू कैन मॉनिटर योर शुगर, यू कैन कीप इट इन कंट्रोल, टेक गुड डाइट.
बट मैम, इस समय इस वक्त ऐसा भी हो रहा है, लोग बिना किसी गाइडेंस के भी स्टेरॉइड्स ले रहे हैं मैम, होम आइसोलेशन
या
में, होम
या
क्वारंटीन में. मैम, इज सो डेंजरस मैम. उनको
Yeah,
ऐसा
it
फिलहाल
is.
नहीं
Like, yeah,
करना
they
चाहिए.
should avoid this. Even
यस
physicians
मैम.
should keep a check while giving the steroids. Like, I have seen many patients who, like in mild cases, they were
यस
taking
मैम.
16 mg steroids and they had good saturation level then too. So, yeah, if it is unnecessarily, if they are taking unnecessarily, then they can stop. Or they should not take.
मैम,
Okay. What are the chest techniques for unconscious patient in ICU? You can give them the chest PT, chest vibration. Percussions you can give, but you have to assess pehle. Oh, yeah, that's it. Abhi filhal you can do this because patient is ICU is and it is unconscious, so cannot do your diaphragmatic and segmental breathing, all that.
ma'am, somebody asked, can fungi spread through blood directly in brain without causing nasal ophthalmic symptoms?
Where it is, I can't see.
Ma'am, D-dimer 98 profile name.
I have to see. Okay, you do one thing, you share my LinkedIn or the Instagram ID.
Uh,
Okay, so I can, yeah, it is possible. Uh, Anyways, any more questions? Steroids decrease inflammation. Yeah, steroids do decrease inflammation. It reduce hyperinflammation. Okay, then that's it.
that's okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.